Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have my monthly shopping spree slash collective haul for you guys. If you're new to my channel, I like to do these once a month over here, and I've been doing it for so long because I have a shopping problem, a major shopping problem, and I just can never stop buying stuff. So I love to show you guys what I've purchased over the past few weeks, and all these items are stuff that I haven't already mentioned on my channel in a dedicated video. So I will have everything listed and linked in the description box if you guys want to shop anything that I show. I have some really good stuff in today's video. You're definitely not going to want to miss it. And without further ado, let's get into the haul. Spring break is quickly approaching. Some of you might already be on spring break by the time you guys are seeing this video, or some of you may be almost on spring break. So I thought I would do a quick little bikini try on haul slash bathing suit try on haul from Cupshe. I've worked with Cupshe so many times in the past. Like, I've been working with them for 4 or 5 years now at this point. I'll link some of my other videos with them down in the description box if you guys want to check those out. But I absolutely love Cupshe swimwear. They have the most amazing and trendy bathing suits on their website for a very affordable price. But I have a really big shopping problem when it comes to bathing suits. I have 2 drawers full in my closet. If you saw one of my recent vlogs, I showed that. But I have 2 massive drawers full of bathing suits, and I mean, it really is like an outfit. Like, I don't know, I feel like it's normal to kind of get tired of the same bathing suit if you wear it over and over again. So I really like Cupshe because not only are they super cute and trendy, they literally keep up with all the latest trends. So that way I don't feel as bad purchasing a lot of bathing suits because they're super affordable, like I said. So I will have a link to Cupshe's website in the description box. A huge thank you to them for partnering with me on this portion of the video. I also have a discount code for you guys. It is YTHAV15 for 15% off your order if it's over $70. I got some really cute bathing suits that I can't wait to show you guys. But first thing that I got is a little swimsuit cover up. You can actually just wear this as like an outfit, but I bought it specifically to wear over a bathing suit. So it's this button up, button down striped shirt. It's multicolor. It's pink, red, and yellow. This is from the Jessie James Decker collection, which is so fun. I love Jessie James Decker stuff on Cupshe. Like, she designed the coolest collection. So this is the shirt. I got this in an extra small, and then the shorts I got an extra small as well. They just look like this. Super flowy. Love the drawstring, and I love the colors on this. It's so fun, and the material is super light, so you're not going to get too hot in this in the summer, obviously. But this is just going to be the best cover up for spring break or any tropical vacation that you may have coming up. So fun. And like I said, you can totally wear that as an outfit. Mix and match the shorts with different tops, the shirt with different shorts and pants, and there's so many ways you can style it and tie it as well. Love it. I have always wanted a yellow polka dot bikini. If you're a early 2000s, 90s kid, you know what I'm talking about, but maybe I'm showing my age on this one. But I was born in 99, I'm 26, but there was this commercial when I was probably like 4, 5, 6 years old, and it was yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. Something like that. Anyways, oh my gosh. Ever since that commercial came out, literally over 20 years ago, I've always wanted a yellow polka dot bikini, and now I have one. Thanks to Cupshe. So also, I got all of these bathing suits in a size small. The only thing that I didn't get in a size small was this cover up. But anyways, starting off, it's this really fun yellow polka dot bikini. It's yellow with brown polka dots actually, and I love the style. I think it's really flattering on a lot of different cup sizes. And then here are the bottoms. I also really like Cupshe's bathing suits because they are family friendly. There are some that like you can get that aren't as full coverage, but for the most part, I feel like Cupshe swimwear is very medium coverage on the bum. So yeah, I love that because I spend a lot of time with my family at the lake, so I want to be, you know, not like super skimpy or anything. But anyways, love these bottoms. They're a little bit higher rise on the sides, and yeah, this is probably one of my favorites that I got. Another one of my favorites. I feel like I'm going to say that about every bathing suit because I love everything that I got, but I got this triangle style, which is my all-time favorite style of bathing suit to wear. I just think it's the most flattering on me personally because I have a super short torso. So it's white lace and obviously black as well. It's not like see-through or anything. It's black with the white lace on top. And then these are the bottoms that go with it. That's the back. That's the front. I absolutely love these. They adjust on the sides. I think I need to adjust them a little bit more. I feel like they were a little big on me. But yeah, I love how it's like a really small string on the sides because I like to accentuate my legs a little bit because I have such short legs. So love this one. Another item from the Jessie James Decker collection is this gorgeous bikini. This one is kind of like a bandeau style, but it does have straps that you can remove. I love the gold detailing. You guys will be seeing a lot of this kind of style throughout this video or throughout this portion of the video, but I don't even know what you would call this print. Somebody help me out in the comments. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really fun. I love the colors on this. And then here are the bottoms. Really nice quality. Love the ring detailing on the side. High cut, pretty full coverage. Love the gold tag on the back. I feel like it looks really expensive. So love that one. This one's definitely a little less modest and I couldn't figure out how to wear it. I tied it like a weird way in the try on haul. I don't know if you're supposed to wear it like that or not. I will throw up a picture of how the model has it on the screen. But basically, this is the top. I just felt like this strap was a little long on me, so that's why I kind of crossed it over. But maybe I just need to adjust it or something. But it's this gold bathing suit with a gold like ring detail. I don't even know what you'd call that. I'm blanking. But anyways, love this. I love gold and this just screams like Vegas. Like I'm at Caesar's Palace playing blackjack in the pool, drinking a margarita. I don't know. That was really specific. But here are the bottoms. These are definitely a lot skimpier than I normally go for, but these are very, very sexy. So again, you've got the matching detailing on these. I think this is so cute and so fun. This is part of the Lexi Rivera collection, Rivera. So love this. Another triangle style is this really pretty coral bathing suit. Again, it's got this really fun detailing right here and on the straps. And I really like the texture on this as well. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's really fun, really comfortable. And I like how this one ties on the sides because it's really easy to adjust. Again, I love the gold detailing. So fun. This looked really good under the bathing suit cover up, by the way. Again, with the gold detailing, I got this bathing suit. I really love this turquoise shade. I think it's stunning. So I got this. And then here are the bottoms for that one. They just look like this. So fun. Love the gold in the back as well and on the sides. Cupshe really just killed it with all the gold detailing. Love. So next up, I got just a plain black triangle bikini. If I can get it untwisted. I feel like everybody just needs a basic black triangle bikini in their wardrobe and their bikini collection. So I got this, but the bottoms are fun. Again, with the gold piece. Absolutely love. These are super flattering. And yeah, you can mix and match these for sure. And last but not least, another black bikini. Also kind of like the triangle style. This one is so fun because it's got polka dots all over it. And I love the little pearl detailing throughout. I think it's so fun and precious. Love. And then these are the bottoms. I need to figure out how to tie these a little bit better because I feel like I was struggling a little bit when I first tried them on. But yeah, super fun. Love the polka dots and pearls on the bottoms as well. So those are all the bathing suits that I picked up from Cupshe. I will have all these items listed and linked in the description box if you guys want to shop anything that I showed. Hopefully I gave you guys some good inspo on what to get for spring break or your upcoming vacations. Don't forget to use my code YTHAVE15 for 15% off orders over $70. Without further ado, let's get into the rest of the haul. Okay, so if you guys saw my last shopping spree haul that I did, you would know that I got a new MacBook Pro, but I didn't show you guys this really cool case that I got yet. So this is from Unique Find. I just stumbled upon it one day and thought they had really cute design, so I decided to try them out. Came really fast. I love it. It's really good quality. It looks just like my old MacBook case, but that one was like $100 and some. This was like 50-ish, I want to say. So I really like it. It's like an off-white crocodile print texture, and yeah, I love this style. Like, I had my other computer for 4 or 5 years and never got tired of the case, so thought I would just get virtually the same one. And of course I had to get a water bottle to match. Just kidding, I didn't even plan that, but they're literally the same color. It's kind of funny, but I feel like I mentioned a Hydro Drug in literally every single collective haul on my channel. I mentioned 2 in my last one, but I did get this one in the 32-ounce traveler style in cream, I think. but I got this from Walmart. If you guys didn't know, I did a little spring wellness Walmart haul in one of my recent videos, so I'll have that link down below if you guys want to check it out. But I got this hydro jug in that video along with some other really great spring wellness essentials. So I just feel like getting a new water bottle always inspires me to drink more water, and I love these because they literally don't leak. So I had to get a cream one, that way it'll go with everything, every outfit, you know what I mean? From EP Jewels, I got a new necklace. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's this really pretty mini heart rhinestone and gold plated necklace. I think it's really cute. They have a bigger version as well, but I really like how dainty this one is, and I thought it'd be really cute to layer with my other pieces, so I will have it linked down below. It's a little pricey, like EP Jewels stuff is a little pricey for what it is, but I do really like them. A random item that I got from Glossier, I actually tried to purchase this on Sephora's website, but it was sold out, so I just went on Glossier and purchased it. It's the pencil sharpener, and now I don't know what I did with it. Okay, finally found it, but this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a little mini trash can, so I love that because my other lip liner sharpeners like are so messy and just get all in my makeup bag, so I thought that this would help eliminate that problem because it's trapped in this little bin and then I can empty it out. So love this so much. I'll have a link down below. So cute and mini. Also featured in my Walmart vlog, I got a new curling iron. This is by T3. Forget the exact name for this, but I will have it linked down below. I tried it out for you guys in that vlog for the first time, and I really, really like it. I've been using it a lot since that video, but it's white and like rose gold. It's super aesthetic and pretty, but it does obviously work good as well, which is the most important part. But yeah, it's really cool to turn it on and off. You like move this thing around. Got a lot of different heat settings. It does get really hot, and I've been wanting to try this brand for a really, really long time because all my other curling irons are bionic, I think is how you say it, and I think there was like a recall or something on them. They were like melting. I don't really know, so I thought it was time to try a new brand, and I really, really like this one, and it was pretty affordable on Walmart, so I'll have a link down below. I did a huge try on haul with Halara not too long ago, and obviously I'm not going to show you guys everything that I got in this video because I already did a dedicated haul on all that stuff, but I did want to show this top because I think it is so cute. So if you guys haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. But it reminds me of like the Align tanks, kind of mixed with like the Like a Cloud bra from Lulu, but obviously cheaper, and I love the twist in the back. It's super open, super sexy, and it comes in so many different colors, and I got this in an extra small. It does have a built-in bra pad situation that you can take out depending on your preference. Next up from Lululemon, I am going to be doing a haul on a bunch of other stuff soon, but I wanted to show you what I got from the Valentine's Day collection. I actually got more stuff from the collection as well, but stay tuned to see that stuff. This technically wasn't part of their Valentine's collection. It's just like a new Valentine's color that released, but it's the Swiftly cropped long sleeve. Yeah, I don't know. I really, really like this pink. I have way too many of these. There was a time in my life where I couldn't stop buying these in every single color, but I haven't purchased one in a really long time, so it was due. I got that in a size 2, and then this tank I got as well in that same like pink shade. It's called Candy Cloud, I think, and this comes in a few different colors. I love the heart detailing on the side. It's also got a really fun trim. I forget what you call that, but super, super cute, and I got this in a extra small. Next up from Jackson Hole, I go there quite often. My parents have a vacation house there, and they pretty much spend a lot of the winters out there skiing, and so I visited them with my cousin not too long ago, and of course we had to do a little bit of shopping. It's funny because I had never heard of this store, but it's called Diamond Cross Ranch. It's actually a real ranch in Jackson Hole or near Jackson Hole, something like that. It's like the oldest ranch somewhere. I don't know. There's a lot of history behind it. It was really cool, but they also have a store, and my friend was telling me when he found out that I was going to Jackson Hole, he was like, you have to go to Diamond Cross. I really want this shirt. Like, if you go, like, can you pick it up for me? I was like, yeah, sure. This store is literally in Jackson Hole's like main shopping area, and I've walked past it so many times and never stopped in, and I was like, what the heck have I been doing my whole life? Because this is the coolest store ever. It's a little pricey, but anyways, I of course got my friend the shirt, but then I obviously had to buy myself something as well. So I got this hoodie, and it's camo, and it just says Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and then on the back it says like Diamond Cross Ranch or something. But the store was so cool. My cousin ended up getting something as well. Like, they had really cool stuff, and this was really expensive, I'm not gonna lie. It was like $200, but the lady said it was hand stitched. Whatever, I don't know. I really like it. I've been wearing it nonstop, and I got it in a medium, so it's super oversized. But with my purchase, they gave me a free candle. I guess she felt bad that I was getting ripped off. I don't know. But this is Mountain Meadows. This scent is really, really good. I definitely recommend checking them out. I'll have a link to their website. They're not sponsoring, obviously, and sadly, they didn't give me any of this stuff. But anyways, really, really like those purchases, or this purchase. The candle was free, obviously. If you guys saw my last haul, my last collective haul that I did, I got a few of these Intimissimi tops, and I forgot to show this brown one, so here it is. I haven't worn it yet, but I'm obsessed with these boat neck cashmere tops from Intimissimi. They're just like the perfect amount of sheerness that you can see a bra if you want to. And yeah, I got this in a size small, and I really, really love these tops. They're super, super versatile. You can tie them so many different ways, like if you take the sleeves off and like tie it around your neck. I don't know, I literally just ordered another color last night, so that'll be in my next haul. But really, really love these. They're like the perfect transitional piece from winter to spring, in my opinion, because they're really thin, but also it's cashmere, so super flattering. Next up from Revolve, I got this lace bodysuit. This was actually on back order for a while, but it finally came. I got this in extra small. I wore this on Valentine's Day night when I went out with some of my friends, and I got so many compliments on this. It's so freaking cute. It is completely sheer everywhere except the chest area. I do have something very similar that I got from Aritzia not too long ago, but that one's completely sheer, so I do like that. This has a little bit more coverage, obviously, on the top, and it's from Superdown, so it's pretty affordable. But yeah, love it. I think it's so sexy. Next up from Aritzia, I'm gonna do a huge haul soon on the rest of the stuff that I got, but I'll give you a little sneak peek. I got this beautiful blouse. It ties it's gonna be hard to tell the way I'm holding it without it on, but I'll try it on in an upcoming video, I'm sure, but it's just really, really gorgeous. Love this color. And then I got this dress, which is so stinking cute. It's like a little corset, drop waist, halter neck dress with the, what kind of skirt do you call this? There's a name for it. Reminds me of a tutu. So flattering, and I love the black and white contrast. Obsessed with that. And then last but not least, I got this jacket. It's like a trench style. You tie it, ties around the waist. Again, you won't be able to tell because it's not on, but it literally ties across the waist and it snatches you, and it is just the perfect trench coat ever. I wore this to dinner on Valentine's Day with the silk dress that I got in my last Aritzia haul, and it was so cute. So love that jacket. Pricey, but worth it in my opinion. Last up for this haul, I have some Sephora purchases. I did mention these in a TikTok already, but I got the Makeup by Mario Ultra Suede lip pencil in the shade Toasty. This was sold out forever, and it finally came back in stock, and I was like, maybe I should try it. But it's a really pretty, like, mauvey brown. I don't know, really gorgeous. Love it. I can't really wear this when I'm super tan though. Kind of washes me out, but when I'm pale, like I am right now, it looks great. I also got two of the Summer Fridays little lip stains. These are new. I bought like every single color in the Huda Beauty ones that came out not too long ago, but I don't really like those. I feel like they dry out after the first use, so decided to give these a shot, and I want to get every single color in this lip pencil, lip stain, whatever. But I got the shade Rosette and Plum. This is Rosette. I'm currently wearing it on my lips right now. It literally lasts all day. It's kind of crazy. I've never in my life seen a product like this, and I love it. I'll wear it as lip liner, but then sometimes I'll fill in my whole entire lip like I did today with it, and it's so good. And then last but not least, I got the new Laneige Juice Plot Box lip tint in Lo-Fi Mauve. This is really cool packaging, and I love this formula. Really, really like this. That's all my Sephora purchases. So guys, that is it for today's huge collective slash shopping haul for spring 2026. I will have all these items that I mentioned in today's video listed and linked in the description box below if you guys want to shop anything that I showed. Huge thank you to Cupshe for working with me on this video. I will have a link to their website in the description along with all the bathing suits and items that I picked up in this video. Don't forget to use my code YTHAVE15 for 15% off over $70 on their website. Such a good deal, and like I said, they're already super affordable, so love that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen, also listed and linked in the description box below. I love you all so, so much, and I will hopefully see you all very soon in my next one. Bye guys.